Hello friends, welcome to Flash tutorial. In this tutorial we are going to create motion tween. Click on ActionScript 2.0 and let's create rectangle first. Select rectangle tool and click and drag the mouse to create rectangle like this. Okay, now select any frame, right click there and insert keyframe. Okay, for creating motion tween we need to convert to symbol and its types should be graphics. Okay, and I want to change registration here. Okay, and give it to name motion tween. Okay, now you can select create motion tween. Okay, go to any frame and change the position of this rectangle. Now this is the motion. You can change the path of rectangle. See here, and if I will do like this, see the change. Okay, select another frame actually like this, and then like this. Okay, select another frame and change the position again. Select frame and change the position. And on last frame like this. Okay, and you can change the property also, color effect alpha, and if you want to fade it out, just make it 0. Okay, and you can also do free transform. Okay, let's see this. Okay, this is motion. Let's check the movie. Control enter is the shortcut for testing the movie, or you can go to control, test movie and test. Okay, this is it. I want to change the speed here 15 and control enter. Look at this.